If tomorrow, everything you've invested just disappeared, no portfolio, no dividends, no gains, just zero, most people would panic. But here's the interesting part. If you still had the knowledge, you could rebuild everything. And not only rebuild it, you could do it smarter the second time. Because the truth is, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about having a simple system and sticking to it long enough. So here's the question. If I had to start from scratch in 2026, what would I actually buy? Not 20 ETFs, not some overcomplicated strategy, just three. 3 ETFs I'd trust to rebuild everything, step by step, without guessing, without stress, and without watching the market every hour. And by the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how I'd combine them. So you're not just investing, you're building a system that compounds. And if you want more simple, real-world strategies like this, subscribe to MoneyQuest Broker. Let's get into it. First, we need a foundation, because without a strong base, everything else becomes unstable. That's where VOO comes in. This is not exciting, and that's exactly why it works. When you invest in VOO, you're not betting on one company. You're owning a piece of the entire US economy. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, all working, all generating revenue, every single day. Here's what most people miss. You don't need to find the next big winner, because the winners are already inside the index. And over decades, this simple approach has delivered around 10% per year on average. Not every year, but over time, that's where it lands. Now here's the real advantage. VOO is simple, it's cheap, and it removes one of the biggest mistakes investors make: overthinking. You don't need to predict the market, you just need to stay in it. But here's where most people go wrong. They wait. They try to time the perfect moment. They wait for the crash, the dip, the right opportunity, and they miss years of compounding. Instead, you use a simple strategy. You invest consistently, every week, every month, no matter what the market is doing. Because wealth isn't built in one big move. It's built in hundreds of small ones. But here's the problem. Growth alone isn't enough. Because when the market gets rough, and it will, you need something that keeps your portfolio steady. That's where SCHD comes in. This is your stabilizer, your income layer, your stay calm part of the portfolio. SCHD focuses on companies that don't just grow, they pay. And more importantly, they keep paying. We're talking about businesses like Coca-Cola and PepsiCo, companies that have been generating cash for decades. Here's why this matters more than ever. Markets don't go up in a straight line. There are periods where prices go nowhere, or even down. And during those times, most investors feel stuck. But with SCHD, you're still getting paid. That income keeps coming in, whether the market is exciting or completely flat. And there's something powerful about that, because it changes your mindset. Instead of worrying about price swings, you focus on cash flow. And when those dividends get reinvested, something interesting happens. They start buying more shares. Those shares produce more dividends. And over time, that creates a compounding snowball. But let's be clear, dividends are not magic. They're not free money. They're just profits being shared. The difference is consistency. And in uncertain markets, consistency wins. Now, we've got stability, we've got a foundation, but we're missing one thing: acceleration. Because if everything in your portfolio is too safe, you might grow, but slowly. That's where QQQ comes in. This is your growth engine, your upside play, your exposure to innovation. Inside QQQ, you'll find companies shaping the future, names like NVIDIA, Meta Platforms, and Tesla. These are not slow-moving businesses. They evolve fast, and because of that, they can grow fast. Historically, QQQ has delivered stronger returns than the broader market. But there's a trade-off. More growth means more volatility. This ETF can drop harder during downturns, and that's exactly where most people make a mistake. They get scared and they sell. But disciplined investors do the opposite. They keep investing. because those dips are where future returns are built. Think about it this way. If prices fall, your regular investments buy more shares, which means when the market recovers, you benefit more. That's how volatility turns into opportunity. So now, we have the full system. VOO, the foundation. SCHD, the stabilizer. Q, the accelerator. But how do you actually combine them? Here's a simple structure. If I was starting from zero today, I'd go 60% in VOO, 25% CHD, 15% in QQ. This balance does something powerful. It spreads your risk while still keeping strong growth potential. You're not relying on one idea. You're building a system, and that's the key difference. Because most investors chase performance. They jump from one trend to another. But real wealth comes from consistency, from sticking with a strategy, even when it feels boring, even when the market is noisy, even when everyone else is chasing something else. Now, let's talk about expectations, because this is where people get it wrong. This strategy is not about getting rich overnight. It's about something much more powerful: compounding. Over time, your investments generate returns. Those returns get reinvested, and those reinvested gains start generating their own returns. That's when things start to accelerate. Not in year one, not in year two, but later, when the snowball gets big enough. And suddenly, what felt slow at the beginning starts moving fast. If I had to rebuild everything today, I wouldn't overcomplicate it. I wouldn't chase hype. I wouldn't try to outsmart the market. I'd keep it simple. 3 ETFs, one system, consistent investing, and patience. Because at the end of the day, wealth isn't built by doing something complex. It's built by doing something simple for a long time. If this changed the way you think about investing, subscribe to MoneyQuest Broker. And if you want to go one step further, check the next video on your screen, where I break down how to turn this into a full retirement system. And one more thing. This video is for educational purposes only. Investing involves risk, and different strategies perform differently depending on market conditions. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.